Hello and welcome to another episode of Tips and Ideas with Ed Wallace of Midwest Landscaping, www.uniqueenvironments.com. We're here in Irvine, California, and we're doing a follow-up video showing you the virtues of utilizing precision rotating nozzles and InStem flow control stems. As you can see here, we have a Toro precision rotating nozzle that's inside of this InStem flow control pop-up stem. By Valvet Systems, we can be able to control the radius of how far we want this to throw out by just cranking down. We can go almost within 2 feet, and you can see it still rotates. And these stems are basically pressure compensating, so we don't have to worry about our pressure situations here. And as you can see here, we can crank it out to be able to reach where we want to reach with our landscape. And with these precision rotating nozzles, we can put this key on here and basically get any type of radius that we want to achieve by turning the top of the head there. So we'll open it up a little bit, use our channel locks to open it up a little bit more so that we're getting the water just where we need to get it. And if you notice also, we try to keep that water so it's not going off onto the sides of the concrete or the pavement sidewalks. Here in Irvine, they're pretty strict about that, so we'll do a little bit more adjusting like this here. As you reduce the radius, you get a little bit more pressure coming out of the nozzle, so we can crank that back, and there we go. So we're able to stay within a certain watering zone without throwing it all over the sidewalk. As you can see here, we basically retrofitted the pop-ups so that way we can be able to hit the groupings of the plant material. There's pop-ups on the other side of the patio there, and we have a bubbler for our pomegranate tree as a backup. Even though we have this rotating nozzle that's basically throwing water on it right here, we have a backup with the bubbler. And as you see here, we have some manzanita, some rosemary. So we walk down through here. What we did here is we actually put in a Hunter variable arc adjusting nozzle in here, and just had it go right over as a small single shot, almost like a drip situation on that rosemary. It's pretty cool, huh? And over here we have a rotator just going over and watering this grouping here. We come down halfway here and we have some more groupings. We're able to keep that water right on the target area. And we strategically used blue lock piping, flexible piping, where we could be able to retrofit and do what we need to do by moving some heads on the other side, because there was no heads along the fence line. So I was able to put in a T, some blue lock piping, and run another head on the other side so we can have alternating watering opportunities here. So this is what we got here in Irvine, California. Just showing you the virtues of utilizing the InStem technology, InStem flow control technology by Valvet Systems. Little toughy pop-ups and valve stems, shrub heads, and also the Toro precision rotating nozzles. Had to crank that down a little bit. It's throwing a little bit up on the pavement there. So we'll crank this one down, find the hole, the adjustment here. There's our hole for our adjustments. Key in, crank it back a little bit, and we're good to go. So it's not throwing water up on top of the sidewalk there. Okay. And also we have Hydro Rain pop-ups on the job site. 4-inch pop-ups. It's Ed Wallace. Tips and ideas. www.uniqueenvironments.com.